Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a very important topic that affects many professionals: recertification. In the professional world, keeping your certifications up to date isn't just about adding a fancy title next to your name. It's about staying credible, knowledgeable, and competitive in your field. Now, recertification can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through it. Let's talk about continuing professional education, or CPE, which is a crucial part of maintaining your certification. Understanding CPE is your first step towards successful recertification, ensuring you remain a trusted and skilled professional. So let's get started and ace this together. First things first, let's explore your options. Every certification body has different requirements and paths for recertification. Some might offer online courses, while others may require hands-on workshops or seminars. It's important to understand what's available to you so you can plan accordingly. Start by visiting the official website of your certification body and look for their recertification guidelines. This can include a mix of CPE credits, exams, or even practical experiences. Remember, the goal is to find the best fit for your schedule and learning style. And hey, exploring your options might even open up new interests or career pathways you hadn't considered before. With your requirements clear, let's focus on maintaining a consistent pace. Recertification is not a race. It resembles a long-distance run that demands a steady, ongoing effort. Segment your tasks into smaller, more achievable goals. Aim to secure approximately 2 CPE credits each month if you need 40 over 2 years. This method not only simplifies the process, but also ensures learning is woven seamlessly into your daily activities, minimizing disruption. Consistent learning keeps knowledge up to date and enhances your professional capabilities. Regularly engaging in learning activities is akin to consistently eating healthy rather than cramming just before a health checkup. Organization is key. Consolidate all your CPE activities and credits in a single repository. Whether it's a digital spreadsheet or a dedicated app, select a method that suits you and consistently use it. Record each CPE activity in your log with details like the date, title, source, and duration as soon as you complete them. This practice not only prevents future hassles, but also allows you to monitor your progress and stay driven. Visualize each log entry as a step forward in your journey towards recertification. Plus, having all your data in one place simplifies the process when it's time to present your credentials to the certification board. Think of it as maintaining a journal of your professional development. Additionally, many certification bodies offer online portals where you can submit your credits as you complete them, ensuring your records are always up to date and ready for review. A crucial strategy for those with multiple certifications: always select all applicable domains across your credentials when submitting CPE activities. This ensures you maximize your potential credits across various certifications. It's easy to miss some activities, but comprehensive reporting helps prevent falling short on any of your required credit hours. Don't hesitate to seek advice if you're unsure about how to categorize your activities for multiple certifications. Remember, asking for help in understanding multi-certification CPE requirements is a proactive approach to managing your recertifications. So make sure to double-check your submissions, ensuring they apply to all your certifications. After all, the most successful professionals are those who meticulously manage their recertification credits for all their certifications and seize every opportunity for overlapping credits. Well, there you have it. These are our essential tips to ace your recertification. Remember, the key to success in recertification, just like in life, is preparation and persistence. Keep your goals in sight and take it one step at a time. You're capable of more than you know, and with these tips, you're well on your way to not just meeting, but exceeding your recertification requirements. Before you start, take a few minutes to thoroughly read and understand the recertification guidelines. Know what activities qualify, the time frame for completion, how to submit your documentation, any associated costs, and what the audit process entails if you are selected. This proactive approach will streamline your recertification process and make any potential audit much smoother. If you have any questions or need clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to the certification's governing board. It's crucial to contact them before your recertification period ends to give yourself ample time to adjust if necessary. So go out there, Stay curious, keep learning, and above all, be kind to yourself through the process. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful and subscribe for more insights. Keep smiling and keep shining.